Create a 5-minute animated explainer video about money management. The video should be in English with clear narration and engaging visuals. Style: modern, minimal, flat infographic animation with smooth transitions. Tone: motivational, educational, simple, and professional. Script plus visuals. 00 to 030 hook. Narration: most people earn money, but by the middle of the month, they're already broke. Why? Because they don't know money management. Visuals: a person receives salary, immediately spends on shopping, food, gadgets, wallet empty by mid-month. 030 to 130. What is money management? Narration: money management means controlling your spending, planning your saving, and growing your income. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how wisely you use it. Visuals: infographic text: money management equals control plus plan plus grow with simple animations. 0130 to 230. Rule number 1. The 50-30-20 rule. Narration: follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. Visuals: 3 animated jars or wallets labeled needs, wants, savings, and investments. Coins drop into each jar. A tree grows from the savings jar. 230 to 330. Rule number 2. Emergency fund and debt control. Narration: always build an emergency fund worth 3 to 6 months of expenses, and pay off debt quickly because interest kills wealth. Visuals: piggy bank labeled emergency fund, calendar showing 3 to 6 months, debt bar shrinking down. 330 to 430. Rule number 3. Grow with investments. Narration: don't just save money, make it grow. Invest in stocks, mutual funds, real estate, or even your own business. Visuals: stock chart rising, real estate house, gold bars, business shop icon. Money multiplies over time. 430 to 500. Conclusion and motivation. Narration: money management isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. When you control your money, you control your future. Start today. Visuals: happy person standing with wallet full, big coin tree behind, text animation, control your money, control your life. End screen text: subscribe for more financial tips. Background music: light, upbeat, motivational.